How to delete Opal account. So if you're facing this issue, then this video will 100% solve your problem. So to delete your account, first of all, you have to log in into your account. You can enter the username or email or password and just click on login. Once you log in into this, then here, basically, let me inform you, there is a no direct way to delete your Opal account through the Opal app itself or neither from the website. So there's a no way. So only two ways I will show you which works, but it's take a lot of time, but yeah, it will work for you. The first one is Opal travel app, or you can also do it through the application or the website. Navigate to the more section. Now select your desired account. So you have to select your account, look for an option like close account or account closure, which is basically you won't find there. So the next option will help you. You have to go and contact the NSW website, right, which is basically the Opal help support. Go to the help section, look for a way to submit feedback or contact customer care. You might find a form or email address. In your message, clearly state your request to close your Opal account. Be sure to include your username and email address, and of course you need to submit the proof that you own that account, right? And after that, your account will get deleted after some days, and they will also do the cross check and everything. So sometimes you need to do a 3 or 4 time conversation with them, so make sure you are ready for that. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.